One.
Hello YouTube, this is a Satsu 5 and this is my new gun I got. Got it off Gunbroker. Let's see what it is. Most of you should be familiar with this gun. This is the M6 Scout. Well, cool. What's different about this M6 Scout to most of them that you see is that it is made, or it's chambered in 22 Hornet, not 22. So it's a single fire round, and because I pack a little bit more punch, I can legally hunt deer with this. Now the ethics behind it is a little bit iffy, but I can legally do it. And I figured if I ever got in a situation, I would want the more capable round. So let's shoot it and see what happens. Pull all the way up. Gotta pull the handle back.
Did you have to turn it the right way?
I didn't have the firing pin all the way up. Now let's try 410. This is 3-inch 6-shot Remingtons. I must say I like the gun. Hope to have some more shooting videos out in the future. Hope you found this a little bit interesting. You don't see 22 Hornet every day. It's actually Springfield Aubrey, but it's made by CZ in the Czech Republic. Hope y'all have a great day. I'm a Satsu 5, and I'm out. Hello. We've been shooting this with 22 Hornet soft points, 410 number 6 shot in buckshot, and we had a force malfunction. It failed to eject the shell. This ejector was stuck in the closed position, and I don't know what to do with it. I don't know how to fix that. So we're probably going to have to make some kind of ramrod and push that out manually, and we might have to take that to a gunsmith or something, see what they can do. So reliability, not 100%. Hate to say it. Now I got a $880 club. So that's it. I'll let you know when I get it fixed. It's me again. We're at the range, and I have fixed my gun. You can see the spring works pretty good. Still springy. I used my Leatherman, what is this? Sidekick. I tend not to review multi-tools because it turns out to be a list of tools, and then that's the end of the video. But yes, always keep a multi-tool on you, and it can help you out in a lot of situations. So I'm really thankful I had this. And let's shoot it one more time and see if it still works. Gonna assemble it, which is pretty simple. Let's see. should be in its firing position. Let's see, what am I going to shoot at?
Cock it.
Huh? Okay. There we go. Moment of truth. Ta-da. So it can be walked on in the field. Still a pretty cool gun in my opinion. I'll have a more in-depth video on this gun later. But there it is. I'm Assault 25. Thanks for watching.